Hello and welcome to another video. I'm going to show you how to make my go-to easy chocolate bars. The first one is a take on the fruit and nut bar, but instead of nuts, I make it with seeds. I start out by melting some chocolate and then I chop up some dried fruit. Here I'm using candied ginger, and I'll also add some dried apricots. However, you can use other types of fruit. I've also done this with raisins and dried cranberries. Whatever types of fruit you think will taste nice together and that you have available. I add a little bit of cinnamon for flavor. And then I add my seeds. I add shelled salted pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds. This recipe is kind of like the granola bar of chocolate bars because with all of these seeds and dried fruit, it kind of tastes like a breakfasty, textural chocolate bar. So I really like it for that reason because I love granola. And this is kind of like having granola but in a chocolate bar in a way. I mix it all up and then I spread it out onto parchment-lined tray. And this is really it. After that, it goes into the fridge, and then I just break it apart. I'll show you after. But it's very simple, and because it's so simple, I think it's a really nice recipe for kids who want to get involved in the kitchen, or if you just want to make a little treat, but you don't want to put too much effort or time into it. This is a nice little thing to make. The next one starts out with toasted rice powder. To do this, I'm toasting some basmati rice in a dry pan until it smells super nutty and it's golden brown. And this shot isn't doing it justice, it's really golden brown. Then I set that aside and then I toasted some shredded coconut in the same pan until it was beautifully golden brown. Pulse the rice up until it forms tiny little pieces. You don't want to get a big chunk of rice in your chocolate bar. Toasting the coconut brings out that beautiful, tropical, breezy scent and flavor that is just so luscious, and it's complemented perfectly by the nuttiness of the toasted rice. I add a bit of vanilla to tie it all together and then mix it up. Toasted rice, or puffed rice, like Rice Krispies, are often used in nut-free sweets because rice can actually imitate the taste and scent of nuts very well, and it's a beautiful, earthy, roasted flavor that still gives you a nice little bit of crunch. I spread it out on the tray, and you can make it as thick or as thin as you like. It's very easy to spread out because all of the ingredients that we folded into it are so small. If I'm making ones with toasted rice powder, I usually try to eat it within the day, but if I use puffed rice, then I'll leave it in the fridge for up to 2 to 3 days. And it doesn't have to be perfect. The lovely thing about these chocolate bars is that they're kind of perfectly imperfect. Then I put them in the fridge for an hour and a half to 2 hours. I've chosen to snap them apart, but you can also use a knife and cut them properly into little bars if you prefer. You can even wrap them up into little individual chocolate bars, which would be really cute. I like that both of these types of chocolate bars are just so simple to make, but they have so much flavor and texture and sweetness and saltiness. It's a really beautifully balanced treat. And if you're a fan of the soft-spoken cooking videos as opposed to a regular cooking video, please let me know because I would like to make more of them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!